All right, so this is Internet and Computers 101 again. Split screen. So this split screen is very useful when you're trying to look between two documents or two tabs on a computer, whether it's a Google Chrome tab or a Word document, doesn't matter. So if you were to be looking from one side to another, and if you want to take notes, you can take a tab that you're copying from, like this is pretend your work, you can click it and pull it to the side. You guys see that there's a little rectangle that pops out. When you see that rectangle pop out, I'm using left click by the way, left clicking, dragging to the side of my screen. I see that little the rectangle pop out, I'm letting go. And you see it's still only showing half. You're going to do it again. And now I can see that document. Then on this side, I want to show this. I'm copying my notes from here. So for example, if I'm taking notes on George Washington, and I am looking at a resource that is helpful, for example, Mount Vernon is where he was from, I can look at the site and I can take notes. For example, little known fact about George Washington, I can even copy and paste this, Control C, Control V. And now I don't even need to close. I just look between both. You can even, if you look at these two, you can make one side bigger. Oh, I didn't do that correctly. Let me do that again. Click this again. You see that gray bar show up between there? Once you have the gray bar show up between there, it makes whatever side smaller and thicker depending on how you adjust it. So you see when you click, you can actually go like this. I want this side, my notes, my information slide to be a little bit smaller, and it makes this side a little bit bigger. So you see the gray bar, drag over here. Now this is bigger and this is smaller. So if I can drag it into the middle, now they're a little bit more balanced. If you were to just go like, I'm trying to make the no gray bar this time. Okay, the gray bar doesn't want to go away. But if you were to see the click and drag double arrows go without the gray bar, it will be just pulling one side. But since my gray bar is open, it's showing both of them. So it's adjusting to fit both things on the same page. All right, so that was just quick. Split screen, again, when you click and drag until you see the little box pop out. So left click, drag to the side of your screen, let go. Yeah, so that's how to do that, split screen. It's very, very useful if you're working for students and teachers, if you're looking between two documents and you want to take notes. All right, that's it.